Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. You are watching YouTube channel of Professor Dr. Rizwan Jabil Qureshi. I'm covering lecture number 9 of design pattern course. We were covering factory pattern, and factory pattern has two ways to implement to create the objects. One is inheritance, other is the composition. We are covering inheritance first, then we will cover the composition. This is the second example of factory pattern using inheritance. We have course, abstract class, and we have computer course, civil services course, health course, concrete classes, and we have a factory of admission class, and then we have main method using the course information. Abstract class course, we have protected in duration, protected double fee, the data attribute, and then we have two abstract methods, abstract void get duration and abstract void get fee per semester, and public void calculate total fee, system.out.print duration multiply fee. We close the method and we close the class. So course.java. Now we have computer.java, the concrete class. So we have same package, public class computer extends course, public void get duration. This is the method, abstract method we declare in the abstract class. Duration is equal to 8, system.out.print duration. Then public void get fee per semester, again the abstract method we declare in the abstract class course. Fee is equal to 3000, system.out.print fee. We close the method, we close the class. Then you have health.java, another concrete class extending the course. So we have public class health extends course, public void get duration, the method we declare in the abstract class, which is the abstract method. Duration is equal to 10, system.out.print duration. We close the method, public void get fee per semester. It is again abstract method in the abstract class. Fee is equal to 5000, system.out.print fee. We close the method and we close the health class. Then you have civil services.java, the third concrete class, again extending the course, abstract class, public void get duration, duration is equal to 6, system.out.print duration, get fee per semester method, fee is equal to 2000, again the abstract method in the abstract class. We have the body here and the system.out.print fee, and fee is equal to 2000, end of the method, end of the class. Then you have factory admission.java. So class admission, public course admitting course, string course name. If course name equal null, return null. If course name dot equals ignore case computer, return new computer. Else if course name dot equals ignore case civil services, return new civil services. Else if course name dot equals ignore case health, return new health or return null. So that is end of your course, and then close the admission. Then you have the main course information.java. So course information.java, import java.io.static, class course information, public static void main, string arguments, throws IO exception, and admission, our factory object. I create new application is equal to new admission, and system.out.print enter the course you are trying to admit in. Then buffer reader, the buffer object, new buffer reader, new input stream reader, system.in, string course name, buffer.read line. Then course object is equal to new application, the object of admission factory dot admitting course, the course name, then system.out.print course name, the required duration, and object of the course dot get duration. System dot out dot print the course name. The required fee is object dot get fee per semester. Then system dot out dot print the total fee is object dot calculate total fee. And we close the main and we close the class. Course information dot Java. Now did you run the program? So output is enter the course you are trying to admit in. For example, I entered computer. You can try with the health. You can try with the civil services. For the computer, the required duration you want to study in month is 8, and for the computer, the required fee you want to pay per semester is 3,000. So 3,000 multiplied by 8, total fee is 24,000. So that's the second example of factory pattern using the. Let's go to the composition. So we have implementation using the shape. So we have this UML diagram, shape, interface, implements, circle, square, rectangle, and we have draw method, which is public void, and we have factory, shape factory, that creates the objects of the shape, circle object, circle class or square class, and the rectangle class, and we have the factory pattern demo. So let's have implementation, declare and interface shape.java, interface. Factory pattern demo is the package. Yes, new project. Now we are going to implement interface, the composition. We have done inheritance, 2 examples, factory pattern demo and define interface, name shape, method void draw. As much we can complete in this lecture. We will continue inshallah in the next lecture. Factory pattern demo. Then you have rectangle.java, class to implement the shape, public class rectangle. So define a class rectangle.java, implements shape, and we override draw method, system.out.print inside rectangle the draw method. That is the message, that is a string we pass in the system.out.print. So I am finishing my lecture here. Inshallah, we will continue from here. Thank you very much. Love you. Take care. Stay blessed, healthy and happy. See you inshallah in the next lecture. Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day.